You know what time it is. It's another Real Talk with Geoffrey, and we're talking deals on deals. We got 2 off-market duplexes. We're at 2640 Washington Northeast. 2 one-bedroom units, in-unit laundry, updated kitchens, updated bathrooms, and dishwashers. This thing's gonna go on at $299. I doubt it's gonna trade at $299. It's probably gonna go higher. The Decisive will get this one. And then we got another one, 671 15th Avenue Northeast. That sucker, 2-bedroom units, in-unit laundry, updated kitchens, updated bathrooms. That sucker's going on the market at $425. And I'm not really supposed to talk about this yet, but I have a top secret off-market duplex. This one is for those that actually want themselves a banger with a little bit of elegance. That one's 600 grand, but I'm not gonna share the address yet. You gotta shoot me a text. My iPhone is 952-258-3100. I'm excited to talk about all 3. I'm excited to show you these places off market. I'm just excited to be the little prince of Northeast. I'm here for you. Give me a shout.